Hi, hello. I am Carrie Knopf, your host, and we're going to go on a little tree adventure today. Like the Frankenstein monster shuffling in the shuffle. Today. It's actually 53 at the moment. There's the tree there. Some leaves from the big tree. Today's Monday, October 5th. But there's the tree again here. This is right across the street. Some woodsy area. Got like little berries. I got the jacket on today, and you can hear the wind. It's quite breezy today. Got some fall leaves here. Great big giant cloud there. Here's some color leaves turning. Over here you can see some across the street. Here's some more of the berries. Yeah, it's pretty windy here today, but it's nice. Here's some of the stuff over that way. As you can see, that's the house there. But a lot of berries here. Gonna get a close-up shot now, if I can get in here and hold it. But those are some of the berries. I don't know what type of berries that there are, but those are the type of berries there. Like across the street here. Some of the shading that's down the road is it's not bad. All you need to do is just put on a light jacket. Give you some clouds over here on this beautiful day today, and just absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely just a beautiful, but it is a a chilly day today. Just thought I would get in some of the clouds today and just add in, wow, those clouds are like really, really fluffy today. I'm doing 2 videos in one. Yeah, because I'm testing out the black like I did this morning. Yeah, big clouds to the southeast. Very much so. Yeah, this is candy cane, golden emblem. I hope I can eat it because I'm allergic to peppermint. But I will eat it. Dad got it for me today at CVS. Well, my name is Carrot Knopf, your host. It is 11:57 a.m. Hi, I am Carrot Knopf, your host, and I am Carrot Knopf, your host. It is 11:58 a.m. and I'll see everybody next time. Bye bye. Ooh, spooky dot.